How to watch MLS on Apple TV. To watch Major League Soccer on Apple TV, you just have to subscribe to the Apple TV. First of all, simply open your Chrome or any browser and simply tap on the search bar and type in MLS Apple TV and hit search. And tap on the first website that appears. Now, after you're on the website, tap on the sign in bar at the top. Now from here, simply sign in with your Apple ID or Apple account. After you sign in, you must have subscribed to the Apple TV versions. There are two, you can choose any. You can either accept free trial and then you can sign up for the monthly. There are two options, you can select on any. After that, after you subscribe, simply open your Apple TV and tap on the menu. From here you'll see Formula 1 MLS on search. You can tap on search and search for MLS or directly tap on MLS. Then simply select the MLS channel or specific match from this dashboard. And after that, simply tap on click watch right over here.
It's time to find out with Kanji and Dan.
And from here you'll be able to watch to start streaming live. You can also watch recaps just like this video. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.